Plant family, 7 genera in Goodeniaceae. Exploring the fascinating Goodeniaceae family. As a plant enthusiast, I've always been drawn to the diverse world of flowering plants. One family that has captured my attention is the Goodeniaceae. This family consists of several interesting genera, including Anthocium, Brunonia, Cupernukia, Dampira, Goodenia, Lescanalcia, and Scaevola. In this article, I want to share my insights and experiences with these captivating plants. Understanding the Goodeniaceae family. The Goodeniaceae family is native to Australia and the surrounding regions, which contributes to its unique diversity. Many members of this family are recognized for their vibrant flowers and resilience in various environments. I find it fascinating how they adapt to their surroundings, thriving in both arid and moist conditions. Anthocium, a lesser-known gem. Among the genera, Anthocium is often overlooked. I first encountered it in a botanical garden, where its delicate flowers caught my eye. The plant features attractive yellow or white blooms, which can brighten any garden space. I appreciate its ability to attract pollinators, making it an excellent choice for wildlife-friendly gardens. This genus thrives in well-drained soils and prefers full sun, making it relatively easy to grow. Brunonia, the blue wonder. Brunonia is another genus that stands out to me, particularly due to its striking blue flowers. I remember seeing a patch of Brunonia australis during a hike in Australia, and the sight was breathtaking. The intense blue hue of its blooms makes it a showstopper in any garden. This perennial plant prefers sandy soils and can tolerate drought conditions, which is a plus for gardeners in dry regions. Its unique coloration and resilience make it a great addition to any landscape. Cupernukia, an intriguing addition. Cupernukia is less common but equally intriguing. I learned about this genus while researching native Australian plants. It features small, dainty flowers that can add subtle beauty to a garden. I find that incorporating lesser-known plants like Cupernukia into my landscape design not only enhances biodiversity, but also sparks conversations among fellow plant lovers. This genus thrives in coastal areas, showcasing the adaptability of Goodeniaceae plants. Dampira, the versatile survivor. Dampira is one of the most versatile genera in the Goodeniaceae family. I've grown several species in my garden, and I've found them to be incredibly hardy. These plants can flourish in various conditions, from sandy soils to rocky terrains. Their flowers come in shades of blue and purple, creating a stunning contrast in garden settings. What I love most about Dampira is its ability to attract bees and butterflies, making my garden a haven for pollinators. Goodenia, a familiar name. Of all the genera, Goodenia is probably the most recognized. I've planted several species, including Goodenia ovata and Goodenia bellatifolia, in my own garden. Their cheerful yellow flowers bloom profusely, adding a splash of color. These plants are excellent for erosion control, and I've found them to be low maintenance, making them perfect for busy gardeners like me. The variety within the genus, including ground covers and upright forms, offers endless possibilities for landscaping. Lescanalcia, a true beauty. Lescanalcia holds a special place in my heart. I remember the first time I encountered Lescanalcia formosa with its vibrant blue flowers. It felt like stumbling upon a hidden treasure. These plants can thrive in various conditions, but they prefer well-drained soils and sunny spots. The lush blooms of Lescanalcia are perfect for adding drama to garden designs. Their striking colors and unique form make them a must-have for any plant enthusiast. Scaevola, the fanflower. 117 species in genus Scaevola. Finally, there's Scaevola, commonly known as the fanflower. I appreciate how this genus can provide a burst of color with its unique fan-shaped flowers. Scaevola amula has become a staple in my garden due to its vibrant hues and drought tolerance. I often recommend it to friends looking for low-maintenance, high-impact plants. The sprawling nature of Scaevola makes it an excellent ground cover or hanging plant, adding versatility to landscape designs. Conclusion. The Goodeniaceae family is a treasure trove of unique and beautiful plants. From the overlooked Anthocium to the eye-catching Brunonia, each genus offers something special. My experiences with these plants have not only enriched my garden, but have also deepened my appreciation for the diversity of the plant world. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, I encourage you to explore the Goodeniaceae family. Their resilience, beauty, and ecological benefits make them a worthy addition to any garden.